Hello guys, today I bring you the black obsidian bracelet, cross bracelet, tourmaline beaded bracelet. Comes in 8 millimeter black onyx hematite lava stone beads and a triple protection. This is for men or women. Comes in this nice little package. Let's get it out. There's 2 bracelets included on your purchase. The stones are very good quality. It's elastic and it feels very good quality. This is how this one fits. This is the cross bracelet, and this one comes in onyx hematite lava stones. Very nice quality. Also elastic, and you can wear this with any outfit, whether it's casual or for any special occasion. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.